County Nyamira ikoragwo no mugavana bwe county yo Amos Nyaribo kubwatarana na kiombe gya Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation niko ritukoria rero baigwire bene chinyomba cy'oboraro cyekerero cy'aborokigwa ABANYAROKA na boigo ABAMURA be school ya secondary ya Riomego egotoka se wodi ya Magwagwa ebunge ya North Mugirango ekyo kirachye kubogoria aborokigwa ABAMURA na ABANYAROKA goika chiminye ase cyatumekwa chibesa chilingi chimilioni 35 ni kiombe cyo gwikirania obwagacho obo bagokwana hekerekyo ni gobono umwarimu omonene umugavana bwe county ya Nyamira negati aborokigwa bali banyoroko bakonyora obokonyo obwo bagokeire obokonyo obwo na koria eira yogocha kubeka omokia
Nyeka kwa
ocha aturi ntwe aniridimwe as back to call erinda gato Three, two, one.
Na jeta se M-Pesa Foundation wagaja utwagaja chidomo Esukuru chidomo jina chiaerire ibere eyabana ABANYAROKA 200 na abana ABAMURA 200 igora era twaje guchigora kirasimi nagia kotoreta towakera M-Pesa Foundation. Asante sana na watu waendelea kutumia Safaricom na M-Pesa. Asante, si mnaona wanasaidia? Yes. Wako tayari na 3 projects ongoing. Sukuru tele waji domne yabona. Ense me yense. Igo atoja na aramagendero. Amagendero tadi andos. Noko na komenta. Obamanyi obuya na abana banyore nafasi ingia basome ibitabu baeta matemwa baje otokonya baje otagize nafasi yeita mambi.
Today we are here in Nyamira and we are really happy to be in this school today. And what we have done, so from a Safaricom Foundation perspective, we have 3 pillars. We do education, we do health, and we do entrepreneurship as well. So today we are focused on the pillar of education, and what we did, we decided to construct the 2 dormitories. It has costed 35 million Kenya shillings to do the 2 dormitories. We will be able to house 400 students, 1 for the girls, 1 for the boys, and these are the citizens of the future.
And now the students are going to live in a very conducive environment which will enhance learning. We are very proud of Safaricom Foundation. We are proud because of our governor, His Excellency Amos Nyaribo, because he contacted the Safaricom people. Let us go. Our parents are very happy. We are on behalf of the board of management. We are humbled. God bless you, and we look forward to future partnership.
Back there, we once had population pressure, and for now, we have sufficient dormitory and we have enough beds to lay our heads on. And we also promise that we will work extra hard to make them proud for this far they have brought us.